All right, hold it right there. We're clear at 100 feet.
100 feet even. Bring the chain forward.
The river provides the necessary water flow here, and the elevation is perfect for the dam infrastructure. Proceed with the survey of the southern quadrant.
The assumption of state debts is paramount to our union, and the Potomac is the only suitable location for the permanent.
This is
Mark this spot. The confluence of the rivers will be the foundation.
Yes, General. Yes, General. I shall adjust the plat accordingly.
We must ensure the alignment of this facade is precise, Mr. Hoban. The stonework here is critical.
Aye, sir.
The task was immense, requiring strength and coordination to bring down the towering redwoods.
The honor is yours, sir.
Indeed, this great endeavor is finally underway.
Who will build it?
Today marks a new era. We proudly announce the commencement of the Modern City Design Competition, led entirely by women.
We estimate the structural phase will take 18 months, provided the monsoon holds off.
And the resource allocation for the second quarter.
Those details are outlined here, sir.
As you can see here, the structural integrity is maximized at this junction.
Excellent work. This design is approved.
As you can see, the alignment with L'Enfant's plan is precise. The stone will be locally sourced.
This structure will stand for centuries.
As you can see, the Corinthian columns will support the entire portico.
But can the foundation withstand the weight of the dome?
We must ensure the support structure aligns perfectly with these schematics, Mr. Johnson.
This project stands as a testament to American ingenuity and strength.
Cut deeper on the west side. We need this ready for the afternoon hoist.
Lower it gently now. Mind the mortar.
Aye, steady on the east side. Watch your hands there.
More effort on the left side. Keep moving or face the whip. The barges are carrying the weight as projected, Mr. President.
Good. Ensure the pace is maintained. We must finish on schedule.
If we look at the schematic here, the current depth aligns perfectly with the plan.
It's progressing faster than anticipated. Very impressive work by the team.
Steady, steady. Bring her down slow.
A little to the left there. Well done, gentlemen.
This foundation represents the future of our great state. With this groundbreaking, we begin a new era of progress and prosperity for all.
The rainfall has exceeded all projections, Madam President. We cannot move the heavy machinery until the ground stabilizes.
We anticipate completion of this section by the target date.
Ensure the structural integrity meets all regulatory standards.
The south facade requires careful attention to the keystone, Mr. President.
See that the work is done precisely. I expect no less.
Today marks the official beginning of a new era for our community. We break ground on this site with pride and determination.
Yeah, let's get to work.
We've ensured the foundation is solid, sir. It rises true.
Beautiful craftsmanship. It will be a symbol for generations.
A magnificent achievement, Mr. Architect.
Indeed, sir. It will stand for centuries.
The calculations were precise. It's a perfect fit.
Indeed. A proud day for the city, Mr. Architect.
This cantilever design will support the load.
Get those rivets secured on the upper deck.
A monumental achievement for the state.
This new mixture provides the durability we need, Mr. President. It should last for decades.
Excellent work, gentlemen.
The lime must be applied evenly, sir, to ensure the preservation of the stonework.
It truly brightens the facade.
As you can see from the blueprints, the main hall extends. Hey, you fellows see that? What's happening to the building?
The structural integrity here is paramount.
Yes, the steel beams are precisely aligned.
We must ensure the flooring can handle
The final touches on the facade should be completed by Tuesday.
The scale is breathtaking. Your team has done remarkable work here.
We need to adjust the rebar schedule here before the next pour.
Can we still meet the deadline if we do that?
As you can see, the stonework here must align perfectly with the upper terrace.
Very good. Ensure the pace does not slow with the coming winter.
I pray heaven to bestow the best of blessings on this house. May none but honest and whiz men ever rule under this roof.
We've allocated this entire wing for the administrative offices, sir.
And the structural integrity, are we certain it will withstand the test of time?
We've reinforced this section here, which addresses the load-bearing issue.
But we need to ensure the timeline holds up with the new steel.
It's true. How soon until the upper structure is complete, Smitek? We anticipate completion by the fiscal year, sir. The men are working tirelessly.
The building took shape, but George Washington would never actually live here.
The construction of this massive edifice required unprecedented effort, a true symbol of the nation's strength and resolve.
This great endeavor will require immense effort from us all, but we stand ready for the challenge that lies ahead. As you can see, the structural integrity of the main archway is ensured remarkably by these beams.
As the nation celebrated this monumental achievement, the shadows of war began to gather on the horizon.
In June of 1812, President James Madison signed the declaration of war against Britain.
Evacuate the building immediately. Move faster. Follow me.
This desk dates back to the 1800s, sir. It can be salvaged.
Good. We must ensure this history is not lost.
Get those hoses higher now. We need more pressure on the north side.
Move!
Watch out for falling debris.
It's collapsing. Look out! Everything is just gone.
Get back, quickly!
This structure represents a leap forward in design. We're ahead of schedule, Rais!
The main span will connect the two boroughs, transforming commerce overnight. It is a monumental undertaking, but we are ahead of schedule.
Mrs. Collins, the scale of this undertaking is unprecedented. We must ensure the structural integrity.
Yes, sir.
The LiDAR scan confirms the original structure here.
So the main hall extended much further west then?
Exactly, Mr. President.
We followed the designs exactly, Mr. President. I don't understand how the structure could fail so completely. The entire nation is watching.
According to the plans, this section was reinforced concrete.
It didn't withstand the heat. We must revise the materials immediately.
With these plans, we can restore the heart of the city.
Then let us proceed. It is time to rebuild.
The alignment here is critical for the south facade.
I understand, sir. We will adjust the scaffolding immediately.
We managed to save most of the original molding here.
The craftsmanship is remarkable, Doctor. Your team has done excellent work.
As you can see, the support structure is fully secure.
Excellent work. This design will stand for decades.
We used the new mixture on this section, as you suggested.
It's quite striking. The dedication of your team is evident.
The mahogany paneling really brings the room together.
It's exactly what we envisioned. You and your team did excellent work.
The main supports are nearly complete, sir. Truly a testament to American ingenuity. Keep up the good work, gentlemen.
This monumental achievement stands as a symbol of progress, built by the hands of dedicated American workers.
This magnificent Victorian structure
once dilapidated, represents the heart of the community's revitalization.
The copper beneath the patina is remarkably preserved, Mr. President. Truly a testament to the craftsmanship, Doctor. Excellent work.
And so, the magnificent new building is officially open as the public eagerly begins their tours. A project decades in the making, the grand structure was finally dedicated, standing as a symbol of progress.
We are building the future, a stronger, more prosperous America.
They were breaking ground in more ways than one, overseeing the construction of a dream realized through precision and perseverance. 1900s. The dawn of a new era brought with it the shadow of explosive growth and a monumental overcrowding problem.
With the dedication of these remarkable architects and workers, we proudly open this new wing to the future.
What is the meaning of this? How could this happen? We believe the structural integrity may be compromised, sir. It just appeared this morning.
We can't let anyone else on this floor until it's secured, Mr. President.
The main supports are completely compromised right here.
Get back, sir. The structure is compromised. Everybody clear the area now.
It's going to give way. Get everyone off the span.
Clear the area immediately.
Following the attack on Pearl Harbor, the White House was evacuated amidst fears of further strikes on Washington.
We must finalize the support structure specifications today.
Yes. And have the team move this timber to the 4th level as planned.
Excellent work, gentlemen. This structure will define the skyline for generations.
Thank you, sir. We are proud to be a part of it.
Make sure the rebar is secure on the 3rd level. We must maintain the schedule.
These new copper systems will last for decades, ensuring efficiency for the entire facility, sir.
Truly remarkable engineering, Doctor.
This remarkable achievement ensures reliable power for the entire region, connecting the residential sector directly to the main turbines.
We designed this space to be completely undetectable from the exterior.
It's quite remarkable, really.
As you can see, the installation is nearly complete. These elevators will handle the full capacity. Impressive work, Maya.
The structural integrity here is paramount, sir. We used a new technique for the rebar placement. As you can see here on the plans, the original stonework is still very much intact beneath the portico.
Today, we dedicate not just a building, but an enduring symbol of progress.
We anticipate the structure will be completed by the end of the year, sir.
This is truly a marvel of modern engineering.
The tensile strength is maximized right here at this joint, Madam President.
And the seismic load?
It exceeds the requirements. It is fully secure.
A proud day for the nation, sirs.
Indeed. Thank you all. We appreciate your hard work.
As you can see here, Mr. President, this covers the main vault.
And the response time?
Instantaneous, sir. The system is fully online.
These are the specifications for the lower levels, Mr. President.
Very good. The structural integrity is paramount. Keep the men working.
We must assume these are offensive weapons, gentlemen.
We are mobilizing the fleet, Mr. President.
What about the second site here?
I am proud to announce that this massive project is ahead of schedule. It is to the architect.
The structural integrity is guaranteed at this scale, Madam President.
Excellent. Let us move forward with a plan.
Workers' rights now! Stop the project! We will not tolerate this disruption. Clear the area immediately.
We anticipate completion within the revised schedule, sir.
Very good. See to it that the night crew is notified immediately.
The architect's vision was clear, a building that didn't just stand, but lived, breathing.
As you can see, the main structure will dominate the skyline.
Indeed. This project will define the future of our great city.
A monumental undertaking built by thousands. A testament to human ambition, it has stood unwavering for centuries.
As you can see here, the structural integrity of the main supports will ensure longevity.
Remarkable work, Mr. Williams. Truly remarkable.
This structure, gentlemen, is built to endure.
Attention. Today marks a new chapter in the history of our great nation. This endeavor proves that